Good morning, children. Last class you already learnt about some algebraic identity. In this class, using that identity, solve some given example problems. Some important algebraic identities are a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Another second identity, a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third identity is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. You already know that these three identity. In this class, I will explain another one important identity is x plus a into x plus b. How to find out final formula means here which type of polynomial multiplication means this is multiplications of binomial by binomials means you multiply with the two terms with two terms. Here x plus a is one term, another one second term, x plus b is another one term. Here first I multiply x into x plus a. Next which sign is there? Plus b into x plus a. Next what is the next step means here x into x is x square. Next here also plus is there, here also plus is there. Plus into plus means plus a into x or x into a means ax. First part of the work finished means multiplications of monomial by binomial. Next second terms plus, here also plus is there. Inside the bracket first term also plus is there. Plus into plus means plus b into x means bx. Next here also plus is there, here second term also positive sign is there. Plus into plus means plus b into a means ab or pa. Next what is the next step? Here observe carefully children. In this two terms which is the common factor means x is the common factor. Therefore x square plus a plus b into x. Here I taken as x as the common factors. Why? Because in here also first term also is there, here in this also is there. That's why I taken as x as the common factors plus ab. This is the standard algebraic identity means x plus a into x plus b formula is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. We based on using this identity, you solve some worked examples. First one I consider find the product of x plus 6 is into x plus 7. Observe carefully children. First question is product means you multiply x plus 6 into x plus 7. Here x terms you compare your standard form means here you see x plus a into x plus b. Instead of x plus a into x plus b, how much is there? Here x plus 6 plus into x plus 7 is there means x plus 6 into x plus 7. And what is the x means? X here also in your problem also x is there, same as it is, right? Taken as xy is equals to x. And what is the a value? You see a is equals to how much is there? 6. And what is the b value? 7. Using this value you find out the product how much. Here x square is how much is there? X means x square is there, same as it is, right? Plus how much is there? A value here 6 plus b value is 7 into x value how much is there? X only plus what is the a into b means ab value how much is there? A is 6 into 7. 6 into 7. What is the answer means? X square plus you add 7 plus 6 means how much? 13 into x plus 6 sevens are how much? 42. X square plus 13x plus 42. This is the product of given in your problems. Same method. Another one examples I will consider. Determine the product. Find out determine means to also same. Here also you find out the product. But here observe carefully children. X plus 8 and another one into x minus 4. Here also multiplications of binomial by binomial. Here what is the given data means x is equals to how much is that? X only. And what is the a value? How much is given? A is 8. And b value how much is given? Instead of plus here minus 4 is there. That is called this one you taken as b value. B is equals to minus 4. Now we will substitute this all value in your algebraic identity. Which of algebraic identity you use means x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here you substitute all a, b and x value. X plus 8 into x minus 4 is equals to, what is the x value means? X square plus a plus b. A value is how much? 8. B value is minus 4 into x plus, what is the a value? 8 into, what is the b value? Minus 4. Next, what is the next step means? X square. Next, here 8 is there, here minus 4 is there. You subtract 8 minus 4 means plus 4 into x. Here you multiply, observe carefully children, here plus is there, here minus is there. Plus into minus means minus. 8 fours are how much? 8 fours are 32. X square plus 4x minus 32 is the product of given in your problems. And another one, find the product, but here different is there. Observe carefully children, compared to first and second, this is a slight difference. Here number is given, not variables. 103 is multiplied with 98 using the suitable identity. Means, I don't know which identity you can use, but here which identity you can use? First two problems means x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Based on this identity, you find out the given problem's product is how much. Here, 103 first I consider 103. How to write means using that x plus a into x plus b means 100 plus 3 means you add 100 plus 3 means 103 is comes out. Next another one 98. This is also you using x value is same means 98 is equals to, how to write means 100 minus 2 means you subtract 100 minus 2 means how much you get? 98. Here you see, observe carefully children, here also 100 common is there, here also x value 100 is there. Using this concept means 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 2. This is in the form of x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Next, already you know that x value how much is there? 100. Observe carefully children, x value is 100 and a value is 3 and b value is minus 2. Now we will substitute all values suitable identity. 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 2 is equals to x value how much you taken already? 100 square plus a value is 3 minus 2 into x value is 100 plus a into b is 3 into minus 2. Now we will calculate how much. 100 square means, you see how many zeros is there? 2 zeros. Double means 1 after you write how many zeros means 4 zeros. 100 square is how much? Means 10,000 plus 3 minus 2 means how much? 1 into 100 plus into minus means minus 6. Next, 10,000 plus 100 into 1 means 100 minus 6. Now we will subtract 100 minus 6 means how much? 10,000 as it is you write plus 100 minus 6 means how much? 94. What is the final answer means? 10,094 is the answer of your questions. Regarding this video, any doubt have means you will ask. I will clarify it after the class. Thank you children.